In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable PvP in Once Human. So if you open up your inventory inside the game by pressing the I button on your keyboard, you will see that over here it says whether you are PvP or PvE, okay? So, once you're PvE, this means player versus environment, but if you're PvP, this means player versus player. Now, what this tells us is that we can change from PvE to PvP, and the way you do this is inside the game, simply hold down the P key. Now, the P key on your keyboard will not work. As you can see, I can't do it because it says cannot enter the KO state when in the novice protection period, which is level 10 or below. And as you can see, I'm currently below level 10, so I can't do this, but in case you are above level 10, you can hold down the P key and you will enter the PvP mode. And then to activate or to deactivate that PvP mode, you will simply have to wait 5 minutes and it will go away automatically. And then you can yet again re-enable it. So, that's how you enable or disable PvP in Once Human, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.